Hey, welcome to Mark's Garage. Glad you're watching. I'm a retired engineer working on this 47 GMC restoration and a few other projects in the garage. I have to say I'm a little frustrated. Got a lot of things apart because I'm waiting for parts to come in. I got the manifolds off, carburetor's off, brakes are exposed. But I'm gonna find a few little things to do, keep myself busy, and keep this project moving forward. One of the things I'm going to try to do today, before I forget all about it, which seems to happen a lot lately, if you see that square hole down there, that's the front hole, mounting hole for the engine. I'm in the front of the engine. And that takes like a specialty carriage bolt, grade 8, to hold the motor in. Now, I bought a nut and a bolt that'll fit through there. And I'm hoping I can get the real bolt, the original, off the old motor. So far it's fighting me, so I'm gonna go play with that and see if I can get that carriage bolt out of the old motor. So this is the front of the old motor, sitting on a stand in the corner of my garage. I don't have a whole lot of room to work. I should probably wheel this somewhere else. But what I'm gonna try to do, put a socket over that. I don't know if that'll even work because the socket doesn't seem to fit. Then press it out with a big C-clamp here. And I gotta tell you, last time I tried this, it didn't really work. So I'm not expecting any different result, but I just wanted to show you how tight this thing is in there. I can only get it on so far because the gear's in the way, which I can't get off. So now I'm starting to put some force on it. And you would think it would just push up, press itself out. It just seems to be getting tighter. I hope I don't bend the bolt itself. I'm looking in the camera. Oh, you can't see because the C-clamp's in the way. And move the camera over that way. There you go. That better? Yeah. So I got the C-clamp on there now. Squeezing that. Doesn't seem to be going. Feel like something's going to break any minute. Well, that bolt's going to bend. That would be even funnier, huh? Almost got to put a cheater bar on this C-clamp. Now I can't get it loose. Put my foot there. Oh, got a persuader right here. Now, it came off, and you see the top of that bolt has not moved at all. You think they welded it in or something. Hammer, fire wrench. Got to be careful I don't burn down the garage. I have this thing sitting in a plastic bag. Yeah, it ain't moving. What the heck? Ridiculous, huh? Simple carriage bolt. It's the high grade, so I didn't want to just use a Home Depot carriage bolt. I'm going to try this one more time now that it's been heated twice. I don't expect a difference. I might just put the regular nut and bolt in. Just hope for the best. or, you know, maybe someday when these bolts becomes available. Yeah, no. Ridiculous. Total failure trying to get that carriage bolt out of the other engine. I don't know what's keeping it in. It's only a little thing in sheet metal. So I'm just going to drop this bolt through that square hole. If I can find it. Come on. And no, it won't go because the bolt's too long. And I am not taking the front cover off, the timing cover, just to get this bolt in. That would be ridiculous. Of course, I've done more ridiculous things. So I'm going to try this one more time. And no, it won't go. I'm afraid if I tap it, I have to get it to scrape past that thing. Maybe. No. No, it's got to go straight in and it's at an angle. Ridiculous. Well, the hack that I am, I was able to pound that in with a screwdriver. It just went down. So now I just want to tighten it up with the impact. And even check to make sure this is, yep, 5/8. So the lock washer under it. Got the nut, like an acorn looking nut, as opposed to regular nut. Got this spinning in the right direction. I can't hold it with my finger, so I'm going to go get a wrench. Be right back. Of course, I forgot to turn the camera on, but it was like an open-end wrench on it on this side. I don't know why they just didn't use nut and bolts to begin with. Oh, because when they were assembling this, whoa, now that one's spinning, and that's the carriage bolt. So it's got to drop in the hole for it to work. And why is it spinning? It appears to be in the hole. I gotta hold it down, I guess. Keep it from popping out of the hole. Okay, that's good and tight. We do the back ones, and I'm done with that.